very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when the sun shines within the human brain. Ladies and gentlemen, since the dawn of time, humanity has looked upon to the sun not just as a celestial body, but as the very essence of life itself. The sun is the source of energy that fuels the planet, sustains life, and governs the rhythms of existence. From the great ancient civilizations to modern neuroscience, the sun has been revered not just for its physical warmth, but for its profound impact on the human body, mind, and spirit. Yet, beyond its obvious radiance, the sun holds a deeper connection to human consciousness, influencing not just the biological clock, but also the way thoughts, emotions, and cognitive evolution unfold. When the sun truly shines within the human brain, life aligns in harmony. Humans are an intrinsic part of the cosmic energy system, and the sun is the most immediate and potent source of power. Every heartbeat, every thought, and every movement is in some form a manifestation of solar energy converted into biological function. Dependence on the sun is not limited to light and warmth. It is extending deep into the neurological and hormonal frameworks that regulate well-being. Ancient wisdom has long recognized the sun's multifaceted role in human existence: physical, mental, emotional, aspirational, and spiritual. Sun salutations in yoga, meditation at sunrise, and solar worship in various traditions all acknowledge this cosmic relationship. Modern science is now validating these age-old understandings, revealing that the sun's energy interacts with the body in ways both known and yet to be understood. Photons and electromagnetic waves from the sun directly influence the brain and body, shaping circadian rhythms and physiological functions. At the heart of this relationship lies the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a small but crucial region in the hypothalamus, often referred to as the body's master clock. The SCN receives direct input from the retina, translating solar cues into biological rhythms that regulate sleep, metabolism, hormone production, cognitive function, and emotional balance. When this internal clock is aligned with the natural solar cycle, brain function reaches its optimal state, leading to enhanced well-being, clarity of thought, and emotional stability. However, modern lifestyles characterized by artificial lighting, disrupted sleep patterns, and reduced exposure to natural sunlight have led to a misalignment between human biology and the solar rhythm. A weakened SCN results in circadian dysfunction, affecting the limbic system, neurotransmitter balance, and overall neuronal health. Over time, this misalignment can manifest as fatigue, cognitive decline, mood disorders, and a general decline in physical and mental well-being. What's the way forward? To restore balance, realigning with the solar rhythm is essential. Simple yet profound lifestyle choices can help harness the sun's energy effectively. Let's look at the options. First, exposure to morning sunlight to reset the circadian clock and enhance serotonin levels. Second, maintaining a consistent sleep-wake cycle to support SCN functionality. Third, balancing artificial light exposure, particularly reducing blue light at night. Fourth, engaging in mindful practices like sunshine taking at safe hours and meditation to deepen the mind-body-sun connection. Last, fifth, nutritional support through foods rich in vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and lactate, all of which play crucial roles in brain health. Vitamin D, synthesized through sunlight exposure, supports neurotransmitter production, cognitive function, and mood stability. Omega-3s support neuronal membrane integrity and cognitive function, while lactate produced during physical activity serves as an energy source for neurons and enhances brain plasticity. These practices strengthen neuronal health, enhance cognitive function, and promote a life of clarity and purpose. When the SCN is healthy, the brain operates in sync with cosmic intelligence, fostering wisdom, vitality, and higher consciousness. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the sun shines within the human brain, all aspects of life flourish. Just as the external sun nurtures the earth, the internal sun illuminates the mind, awakening clarity, wisdom, and progress. To live in harmony with this cosmic force is to unlock infinite potential. As the Bhagavad Gita beautifully states, as the sun illuminating all this world rises, so the one who has awakened inner light sees all with true understanding. Aligning with this rhythm is not just a path to well-being. It is a return to the natural order of existence where the mind, body, and universe move in seamless harmony. The sun that rises outside must also rise within, for in that radiance lies the key to the highest human potential. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.